To show you a nice little project you can do sitting at a picnic table. I'm going to try to do a series called picnic table projects or something along those lines, and I'll do up a whole playlist of stuff you can do. But one of the things that I'm going to do tonight is I've got a bamboo rod, and I'm going to turn it into a fly rod. But you see here I have a bunch of safety pins. What I've done with the safety pins is I use my multi-tool, grab it, and I just push them straight up just like this. So I take them, grab it right by the eye, put my finger behind it, bend it straight up, just like that. Now what I can do is set those on the rod. Now where it being real thin, I've cut half of it off, but it still has the eyelet right here. Now, to make things easier, I'm going to take one of those safety pins, open it up, stick it through my thread, tap the point into the table. Now that'll hold that. So what I'm going to do, since I got everything started, I've got some wraps around this. You can see where I've wrapped it a little bit to get it started so it holds itself. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin the pole, wrapping that whole thing on, turning that safety pin into an eyelet to turn this bamboo rod into a fly rod. But you see the safety pin here is holding that so it doesn't go rolling all over the place. Another thing you can do is take the thread, feed it through that eye. Now you can take it, if you pretend you got thread through here, I could take this and wrap it here. So basically what I've done is used safety pins to make an impromptu sitting at the picnic table version of a fly tying vise and tying tool. You see how fast you can get this thing lashed and covered. Then I'll just do a real quick whip knot at the end when I'm done, touch it with some super glue or any other type of glue to seal it off to protect it from the moisture, and it'll be done. So now you can see, I want to add some more to it, but just for the sake of the speed of the video, you can see how there's an eyelet here lashed to the pole. Got several more ready to go. As I move down the pole, I can lash them on like this. I'm going to do them about every 18 inches to 2 feet, all the way down the pole. So the safety pins will be the eyelet to my pole, and this little $3 bamboo crappie pole is going to be a fly rod, and I can use this that came with it as a reel for a fly rod, because all I have to do is hold it in my hand when I'm fishing. When I catch a fish, holding the rod in my hand here, when I pull my line in like you normally would on a fly rod, I can just wrap it. Instead of cranking a reel, I'll just be wrapping the line around this. So it's a real quick, down and dirty, cheap and easy fly rod made at the picnic table. Thank you.